Hello and welcome to the Vaccination Weekly Roundup. I'm Tim Peplow and here are this week's biggest stories. Indian firm Bharat Biotech have launched the world's first clinically proven typhoid conjugate vaccine called Type R TCV. Despite the availability of vaccines against the life-threatening disease, typhoid fever still remains a major public health problem around the world. And currently available typhoid vaccines fall short in offering the long-term protection and don't protect infants under the age of 2. But Bharat's new vaccine is said to provide long-term protection to adults and infants from 6 months of age. Sanofi Pasteur has 2 influenza vaccines under the popular Fluzone brand, the standard Fluzone and a beefed-up Fluzone High-Dose version for adults over the age of 65. Through a confirmatory efficacy trial, Sanofi has shown that the superior immune response with the high-dose vaccine does actually translate into clinical benefit. And Fluzone High-Dose was 24% more effective in preventing influenza in adults aged over 65 than the standard Fluzone vaccine. Sanofi hopes to update the high-dose label accordingly. Also on the blog, we've been looking at the impact vaccines have had on the world in our infographic on the unbelievable impact of vaccines. And you can find some pretty impressive statistics that really highlight how dramatically vaccines have reduced the burden of infectious disease. And this week's featured download is from Hansi Dean of the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative. You can download the presentation to read about how IAVI plans to ensure the development of safe and effective HIV vaccines through innovative partnerships in research and development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.